Hi everybody, I'm Erin.
I'm Benison.
And we're here for the Canned Food Challenge.
We're going to get a series of canned food items that we have to eat from easy. It's good.
It's actually good.
That's not bad. To very difficult.
This is not cooked.
Oh! I don't know how to eat this. And the person who taps out first will be blindfolded and fed by the other person, me.
A mystery meal for the loser.
This is definitely bigger than your average can.
Brown bread? Cool, that sounds good.
Brown bread raisin.
I'm feeling confident.
Dude, directions, it says remove both ends of can.
Probably because you'll need to use your fingers and just shove it out the other end. Slice to desired thickness.
It's gotta be good.
Okay. Do you want to take a whiff?
Oh, that's nice. I was afraid it was gonna start oozing out. Ooh.
I'll be like the baby deliverer and you push. It's like a giant turd.
You gonna take a huge bite or just like a little nibble?
Spicy.
Okay. It's alright.
But you know what's cool about these is you can just shove it right
Shove
back
it right
in.
back, dude. It's like a
Put it in the
Pringles kind of.
fridge. This is like next level. Can it and put it in the bomb shelter.
This is okay.
What the hell is this? Vega.
Cheese.
Processed cheese.
Why canned cheese?
I just don't like when things are imprinted like this. Oh, it smells fine.
Yeah, it smells like
Let's just
mac and
eat
cheese
this.
cheese.
Let's just eat this.
It's a little pungent, yo.
It's definitely got a bite to it for a cheese.
I don't like processed cheese.
I wish it was spreadable.
Yo, there's bacon smoke flavor added.
It's about to smell smoky.
It smells like bacon though, hey.
Bacon's great, but like the minute you shove it into a can, like it's just a lot of grease.
Cans are used to preserve things, right?
Oh,
Dude, this is just cooked bacon, dude. How bad can it be? Cheers.
cheers.
It's good.
It's actually good.
That's not bad. I'd put that on a sandwich.
Let's do the next one. Tamales.
Tamales.
Canned tamales. Okay, this is Best Buy 2021.
Can we ask for this heated up? Just gotta wait for this to cool down a little bit.
There are better ways to eat a tamale. If you're putting together like a bunker and you love tamales and you need canned tamales, then that's why they're here, you know?
Cheers.
Cheers. Nope. Don't like that. Shouldn't be canned. It fell apart in my
I
mouth.
almost chundered. That's disgusting. Like,
It's like Play-Doh.
it's
It's very Chef Boyardee. Next one.
Sweet Sue canned whole chicken. Fully cooked though. I like chicken. Can't be that bad. No, but just like shake it a little bit. Shake it a little bit. Chicken.
Oh! Remove chicken from the can. Be sure to save the delicious broth.
Chicken
Place
broth is delicious.
fricassee or serve cold, just as chicken comes from the can.
We're essentially giving birth to a chicken.
Do you feel the?
That just punched me in the face.
Yeah, that was like a rancid fart.
Oh, it gets worse.
Whoa!
You felt that too, right?
Oh my God! It's the second wave.
Yo, get it over there. Dude.
Shit! Is there something we can spray on it?
Febreze.
This is gonna be a hard one. I might be tapping out. That is not broth.
My
That's
God,
embalming
that's
liquid.
a whole freaking chicken.
Home style goodness.
Don't forget to save the delicious broth. Do you hear that?
Oh!
My fork just went up its butt.
Gross!
This chicken is very fragile in here.
No! Ew!
Look at this.
This is a full-blown chicken.
This is like a no-joke animal. Wait, is this fully cooked, right?
This is not cooked.
Oh, the flesh is so pink. Just how I like my chicken. Here, cheers.
Cheers. Not as bad as it smells.
That's a good.
I guess what you're paying for is the longevity.
Here we go.
Do you know what haggis is?
I don't know what haggis is.
What's awful?
Awful internal organs of an animal used as food.
All right, and then what's
Fine.
suet?
The hard white fat on the kidneys and loins of cattle.
Guts, mixed with oatmeal. Boiled in a bag, which is traditionally the stomach. We recommend the traditional serving of haggis with neeps and tatties, Scottish turnips and rutabagas. Haggis is a great breakfast dish. It's also great as a spread or dip with crackers.
Let's open this up. Let's see what this haggis is all about.
I feel like it's gonna smell
gonna
like
go for it.
some stinky meat.
This legitimately smells like cat food.
Cat food that has been
Yeah.
regurgitated by a cat.
Every time it's just like,
Puff in the air.
I don't know how to eat this. Should we give it a little pat down, see what happens as it all or should we do it a little like one of these, you know, like cake reveals, you know?
smells
Or should we
like
like
the
cut it like a little
inside.
pie?
Smells like the
so many
inside of a
options.
castle.
So many options to have haggis.
Oh, God.
Did you see that? You going for this?
I don't know.
So am I taking the W? Wait,
God.
wait, is it full swallow or full contact with tongue?
If I can spit it out.
I can't chew anymore.
Right.
Let's go! Get this out of here! Bring on the mystery, baby!
I'm tapping now.
Yes!
Yeah, I am. That is disgusting.
See what you think.
Oh, God.
I feel like you're gonna peek.
I am gonna try.
You ready for this?
No.
You want a little big whiff?
A
You're just gonna-
little whiff.
Okay, you just gotta stay put. Just
Yeah.
stay right there.
Jesus, oh wait. Hold on.
You could have had the haggis, but no. No
If
yet?
it's bugs, I'm not doing it.
It's not, babe.
Is it bugs? I need to look. I feel like I need to.
No, don't look. Okay, smell.
No,
Wait,
I need I need time.
You ready to try this? This is dehydrated, so it's gonna be a little crunchy. Do you want a big piece or a small piece? I'll give you a really small piece.
I'm not doing it. No.
How about a little?
I'm not doing it.
Okay, a little piece.
No, I'm having a panic attack, and I'm not gonna do it.
It's just a scorpion.
Oh my God!
It's just an armored tail scorpion.
Bring in the haggis. That is absolutely disgusting and
Let me get this for you. I think I took like this big of it.
Okay, you didn't. I would say
Yes,
maybe this.
What? Aaron more. You just chew fast and then swallow right away. Aaron more. Stop leaving it in there. You gotta do something with it. You gotta do something with it. Your body doesn't want it. Oh no! Are you okay?
No. Oh, it feels so bad. Gross. Thank you for having us.
There you have it. Canned food challenge. See you next time.